Today on our Dear Claire series, we're talking about weather stripping. So first off, what is it? It is the thing that protects you from the elements on any of your penetrations. What are penetrations? Windows, doors. Pretty much that's what we're talking about here. So, this place where your window meets the spot that it is actually attached to, you want it to be airtight, because air in and out is going to just mean that your heat is going out and your cold is coming in, or vice versa if it's summertime. So you want to make sure that that's as tight, is the word that people use for it, as possible. So to that end, I'm not going to teach you how to weather strip. For the more adventurous of you, you can totally do that. But it might be a good idea to just walk around and take stock of the things that might need new weather stripping, and then perhaps ask someone else to help you with that. Or I can get you contractors' names that will help you with that. But you're just going to open the window or the door and kind of look at it and see if it looks funny, if it seems like there's any air gaps or light that you can see from when you're looking at it. Is there a light coming through it? Those are going to be indications that you probably need new weather stripping. As always, reach out if you have questions. I'm happy to help as much as I can. You take care. We'll see you next week.